Looking for the best Cuisinart blenders? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Cuisinart blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Cuisinart Smart Stick 2-Speed Hand Blender. Pros: the 200-watt motor is surprisingly powerful and rinses off clean in a snap. Quickly blends ingredients and very convenient to use with soups. Just immerse and blend. 2 speeds for precision blending performance. Cons: requires user to maintain consistent pressure on the button. Bottom line: this low-priced handheld is perfect for pureeing soups or blending your morning smoothie. At number 2. Cuisinart Velocity Blender SPB8BK. Pros: the BPA-free container is lightweight and the motor provides enough power for most users. Features an attractive base and the lid seals well. Touch controls are basic but simple to navigate. Cons: performs poorly when tasked with crushing ice or frozen items. Some worried about the product's durability. Bottom line: a 48-ounce capacity blender with a 600-watt motor and touch controls. At number 1. Cuisinart Hurricane Blender CBT 1500. Pros: performs as expected and blends all ingredients very well. Features a timer and a BPA-free container with a large 60-ounce capacity. Very easy to use controls with accurately functioning presets for smoothies, soup, and more. Cons: lid is tough to get off and the unit runs very loudly. Bottom line: like a real Hurricane, this quality 2.25 horsepower blender is quite powerful considering its price tag. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.